The Ford Tractor Brakes Assembly. This video applies to tractors built between 1939 to 1952. Begin with the brake shoe adjuster. Assemble the three components as shown, with the nut screwed all the way down on the threads. The brake components are mounted to the brake support plate. Mount the upper and lower brake shoes to the support plate as shown, with the adjuster placed in between the brake shoes. Ensure that the adjuster is oriented as shown. The adjuster is located toward the rear of the tractor with the star tooth wheel at the bottom. While holding the assembly together, attach the red spring to the holes in the pads above and below the adjuster. From the backside, place the brake shoe return spring anchors through the rectangular holes in the orientation shown. Then hook the green spring to the anchors, followed by the black spring. The brake assembly is now complete. To see more videos from Just 8 Ends, remember to like and subscribe.